Now we are gonna unbox this parcel. So let's quickly open up. So here's the packet itself. So let's quickly open. So here is the packet. You can see it's a proof coin. So let's quickly check. It's a silver coin, and here we have the COA, certificate of authenticity. Okay, so you can see here clearly. So this is it, a premium package, and here are some small silver coins. These are 1 dime coins of USA. In US, 1 dime means 10 cents of. So let's quickly check. So here is the coin. You can see here it's 1 dime, United States of America, and at the back written Liberty, in God we trust, 1943. So this is a good looking coin, and the second coin is also 1 dime. You can see, and at the back same Liberty. So that's all, guys. We have 3 collections. One is of Italy proof set, that is like in a good packing, a coin, and 2 US 1 dime silver coins. So sooner this will be available for sale on our website. Hit the like button.